So I think I had two sort of really lucky moments. So the first one was at about 14 years old. I think it's about 14. You know, when you do work experience.
Yeah.
So everyone does sort of work experience at school. And the work experience that I did at that age was basically with my granddad. And what my granddad would do is he would travel around the Midlands and he would line furnaces. So furnaces, big ovens basically, where we would stick airplane parts in, it would heat them up, loosely speaking. And then what he would do was go around and fill them with either ceramic fibre or brick. So I basically did work experience with him, did a bit of labouring, and I would be sort of on the sort of cement mix of the drum, and I would basically pass him cement, or he would teach me to like push in ceramic fibre or lay bricks or whatever.